Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Money Infotech. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to crack the job in Amazon. So in order to crack the job in Amazon, so there are many tests which we have to face before the interview round. So in this video, I will explain what are the tests in Amazon. So there are different roles in Amazon like seller partner support and Tron associate, quality specialist, RMS specialist, tech ops specialist. So there are many roles. So for all these roles, there are some basic tests which, and also let us discuss about this. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and share to our friends so that they will get updates about it. Okay. Let's get started. The main test first in Amazon will be the basic grammar English test. Okay, so the test comprises of either 20 or 30 questions. It depends on roles. The topics in this test include the fill in the blanks. What is the fill in the blanks means? We will be given one question, and that one question a blank will be provided. For that blank, there are given four options, so we have to choose one option. So one is the correct answer. Okay, in that fill in blanks, they may be asked the nouns or any parts of speech or any articles. So this is about fill in the blanks. So next one will is error detection. So error detection is nothing but we will be given provided with one sentence, and that one sentence is break up into four parts, which is options for a b c d. So in that four parts we have to find the error, which part is the error part, and we have to answer it. Okay, test. The third topic will be the prepositions and the parts of speech. So this topic is very important. So we will be provided same with blanks, and we have to fill up the blanks with prepositions. Suppose they will be asking one question and they will miss the preposition in between the sentence. So we have to answer which preposition is suitable for that blank. Okay. In some cases, the test will also comprises of parts of speech. So we have to consider which parts of speech we have to use there in that blank. Okay. Next, tenses, articles. Say these also there are so many blanks, and there may be sentence wrong, or there may be the change in sentence or tense formation is wrong. So error detection. So these two parts are also comes under maybe error detection or fill in the blanks. Next, the main important part is sentence arrangement. So basically in Amazon English test, we will be given either five or four sentences. So we have to arrange them in the particular order. So there are five sentences, namely PQRS or PQRST. So there is a sequence given below in five options. So we have to choose the sentence arrangement, how the sentences are arranged in a particular manner. So which the correct option is suitable for that sentences will be placed by us. Okay. Next, the correction of sentences means this is also same. The a sentence will be provided as a question. So the options will be four options. So in which options the correct sentence is used, we have to find that. Okay. Next, words often confused means, so it is also comes under fill in the blanks, right? But in this part there will be given two options. So as you all know, there are words often confused in English, which means a spelling or a letter is changed, but in that the meaning will be changed. Okay, so we have to check which meaning is suitable for that word. Okay, so these are the main topics in English. First of all, in English is nothing but don't fear about English. It's the main the basic English is the basic English grammar part, which comprises all these topics. So it may be either 20 or 30. It is the first round in Amazon. If you want to go to another test, you have to qualify this test first. Okay, I think you have clear idea about English grammar. Okay, so next move on to the second test. Okay, this is the voice version test. These tests will also come under for roles like Tron Associate and LMAQ, Tech Ops, and SPS Associate. So there are many. This test will comprise of many roles. So this voice version is particularly we have to more concentrate on the voice. Okay, so we have to answer all the questions with our voice. Okay, so there will be total of 63 questions in this. The first Roman is the read the sentences. Okay, what is this means? We will be provided 8 sentences in the screen, in our laptop screen, and they will ask us to read sentence 1. and read sentence 2, and again read sentence 3. So we have to read the eight sentences with fluently. Please, if you are writing this test, please be avoid all the noises and be sit in a quite comfortable room and noiseless room, okay? Because this test is very important and you have to be more concentrated, okay? Next, the second Roman will be repeat the sentences what you heard. It will be comprising of 16 questions, okay? What is this test means? You will hear a sentence, okay, and you have to repeat the sentence. Suppose a person or a man or woman speaks one sentence in English language, you have to repeat the sentence, right? So it is a main test in which many of the people will lack in this, okay, because we don't know the native English language, the sense of that language. So we may lost the what is the meaning he told, and some of the words we missed, okay, right? So this is the main test which comprises of total 16 questions. You have to repeat what you heard. This is the sentence, okay? Please listen very carefully the sentence what they told. Sometimes the voice may be male voice or sometimes the voice is female voice, but you have to clearly listen and you have to sit in a noiseless environment and you have to speak the heard sentences, right? Next, simple questions. So there are total of 24 questions. What is this sentence means? They will ask you one question. Suppose let us say, what you will carry in night. So will give two options. So torchlight or candle. So the perfect answer for this question is torchlight. So we have to answer that simple question. So let us take another example. What do you drink when you're thirsty? They ask like water or coffee. So we have to answer water. So this is very simple questions. They will be given two options. Options will also be given by them, but we have to choose the correct option, right? This is the third round. Next, sentence building. It comprises of 10 questions. What is this sentence building means? Uh, there are some sentences which are given in the version test, but we have to build those sentences. Means we have to arrange the sentences, or they ask us to speak the sentences, and they will given three sentences in a total row. Let us suppose my mom is making dinner. So they said is making dinner by mom. So three the sentences divided will be two or three parts or four parts. We have to make the proper sentence connection and we have to give our voice to that answer. All right. Suppose they will ask the question like, um, the answer is I am going to Delhi. They said to Delhi going I am. So these three sentences we will be here and we have to answer the question like I am going to Delhi. Okay, so this test comprises of total 10 questions. You have to answer very carefully because sometimes we may lose the connection and we may did not hear the option. So please be carefully listen the topics, the sentences they said, and carefully answer the question. Okay. Next, the fifth topic will be story retelling. So it is a very important section. There will be total of three questions and you will hear three different stories. They will tell some stories based upon some characters or some a situation between two strangers or situation between a man and a woman. So these questions they will say. So you have to retell the story in your own words. So this is basically nothing but a story you will be heard by them and you have to tell the story again to them. Basically you have to more concentrate on the names of the characters and the what are the sentences they used and what are the main context of the topic. You have to be more concentrated. There will be total three questions. You have to listen carefully the story and you will be given 30 seconds to recall it and you have to tell the answer in maybe 1 or 2 minutes, right? Next, there will be last option will be open questions. So open questions is nothing but it is very easy. It depends on how we speak. So they calculate how we are good in English. So the questions will be like they will give on one scenario. Suppose let us take an example. I got a question like, in this present world, the parents are giving smartphones to children. How do you conflict it or how do you tackle it? So we have to give the general opinion for 5 minutes or to 4 minutes they given time. For that 4 minutes we have to speak fluently, and we have to conflict our answer. So this is basically the test which will generally will make how we are good in English. That's also the main note for this voice version is we have to use good quality earphones and complete the test in silent environment. So basically using good quality earphones will give us good output, good input of the audio and good output of our voice speaking, and we have to be in a very silent room, then we can hear clearly hear the questions. Okay, right? Next move on to third test, which is written version test. So basically the voice version test and written version are both are same, but the main difference is that in voice version we have to speak out the answers, but in written version we have to type the answers. Okay, so this written version test also some of the cases in for Tron Associate and for LMAQ, so SPS. So there are many roles in which version test is gained. Okay, the first topic of this test is the type the paragraph, right? So you will be given a paragraph on left side of the page, and you have to rewrite the paragraph on the right side with using your keyboard. Basically this test is what they calculate means the word power, the typing power of our the typing speed of our computer. Okay, we have to type the more words in the generally it will be given 1 minute, and for that 1 minute we have to type very speedily the paragraph, and they will calculate the typing speed of us, right? This is the type the paragraph question. Next, the second round is the sentence completion test. So this is also basically they will be given one sentences, and one sentence they will be one fill in the blank. So we have to fill in the blank with which option is suitable for that. For example, let us take um, the office was uh, dash yesterday. So there are no options, so we have to assume. So there will be options like closed, open. So we have to write the answer with our keyboard, so which will suit that blank, right? So that is the sentence completion. And third means dictation sentences. So the dictation sentence is nothing but you will hear one sentence, and you have to retype the sentences on your keyboard. Okay, the difference in voice version is they will you will be heard a sentence and you have to speak the sentence, but in written version you will also hear a sentence but you have to write the sentence. Okay, the main difference between voice and version is in voice we have to speak the answer, but in written we have to type the answer, right? So dictated sentences will consist of total 16 questions. We will hear same this also use a good earphones, you will be heard good input of audio, and you have to type the answer very accurately. There will be given 15 seconds or 10 seconds to answer this question, so be careful while listening to the audio and typing that answer. Okay, next will be passage reconstruction. So in this passage reconstruction also you will be heard one story, and you will be given 1 minute to analyze your answer, and you have to type it in within 2 minutes. So this is also same but story rewriting. You will be heard a story about some situation or some incident. You have to type the total what you heard in your own voice, so it will comprises of total 4 questions. Okay, next the fifth task topic will be email writing. So it is very important. They will check the how your email writing is, how whether you know the structure of the email, how can you elaborating the email. So there are basically question given to write an email to your manager or write an email to your manager about the best employer of the company. So they will mention 3 points or some 3 to 4 points which you have to include compulsory. You have to include that because our written test and voice version test will be calculated by the computer, because the computer checks whether you have input that words or you have included the sentences what they told in that passage or not. Okay, the man will not check the answers, but computer will comprise and check the answers. Okay, so please be carefully once go thoroughly through what is the email writing structure and whom they said to write the email and what are the topics we have to give. So main basically they will ask the topics like write an email to your manager, write an email to your manager regarding the best employer, write a email to your co-employee, that's all. So main basically this is all voice version. Written version, it comprises total 42 questions, right? So next, move on to next question, next round. So the fourth round is Watson Glaser test. So this is a test which was main basically for Tron Associate. So um, many roles doesn't have this test, but in Tron it has Watson Glaser test. It is also known WNG test. So we will be given 40 questions and for 1 hour time. So these are the main topics for all these. So this is nothing but you have to, we will be given one sentence or two sentence or one story. So from that we will be given two assumptions down there. So we have to choose, they will be given option one is correct or option two is correct, neither one or neither two is correct, both are correct. So it is basically nothing but you have to clearly read the each and every word of the sentence and you have to answer that question. Okay, so these are also infer, recognize, assumptions, deduce, interrupt, evaluate, argument. These all are same, basically nothing but they will be given one question, you have to answer whether the assumption one is correct or two is correct, both are correct, or nothing is correct. Okay, so this is the Watson Glaser test. So you have a note, you have to read. This test is based on assumptions and cases. You have to read the paragraph carefully and answer the questions. Okay, you have to read the paragraph very carefully and answer the following questions. Now, so the next test will be aptitude and reasoning. It is a main test for LMAQ role, quality specialist, tech ops associate. Okay, so the aptitude contains the table DI, bar graph, percentage, time and work sums. So these are all the topics which are included for aptitude. And for reasoning also, they include ask the question like sitting arrangement, puzzles, word completion, some. These are the topics. So total this test we have 14 questions and we will be given for maybe 20 to 25 minutes time, I don't know clearly. So aptitude and reasoning is the main test for quality specialist. Okay, next we will move on to last round. So basically these are the 5 rounds which are included: English version, written version, voice version, and WNG test and aptitude test. So the first of all we have to clear all these tests in order to move to the interview. Okay, the last test for interview is interview round. So this is basically which is very important, whether we have to select a job, we have to get a job in Amazon, we have to perform mainly in interview round, because the base performance on our interview they will select whether we are suitable for that job or not. Okay, mainly first of all when you are going to interview, prepare your interview based on your profile. So basically there are different profiles in Amazon like SPS and Tron Associate, Quality Specialist. So when you have applied, there will be given some description about that role. So go through that total scenario of that role. What are the responsibilities we have to require? What are the skills we require? So go through the profile which you are applied, and go thoroughly what are the steps included in that and what we have to do. So the basically first refer to your profile and prepare for that. Okay, so next important topic will be Amazon leadership principles. So there are some 14 principles of Amazon leadership principles. You have to read them thoroughly, because some interview ask you have to include all these leadership principles in your interview, because there are some leadership like the leaders are a lot the customer obsession. So there are 14 leadership principles. So main basically the interviewer will target on whether you know the leadership principles or not. Okay, so these are given some of the interview questions. So basically mainly these questions will be asked by the interviewer, right? Tell me about your hobbies, and main question will be tell me about yourself. So prepare generally, so very carefully prepare this question, because in every interview you have to go, whether in service based company or in product based company, they will ask question, tell me about yourself. So it is a main base question they ask. So always we know that first impression is the best impression, right? So we have to prepare carefully for this question, because on that basis they will conclude whether how we are going to attend the interview, how our English skills are, how our communication is there, right? So these are the questions, main question. what are your hobbies, strengths, weaknesses. So these are all questions once refer through it. Okay, so my tip for interview is always be confident in your interview and always keep smile in your face, because if you feel tensed or worried, so interviewer may think that you are very tensed about the job and you do not clarify the situation or you do not handle the job situation. So always make smile in your face and we talk very politely with your interviewer. Be always kind. Okay, if you don't know the answer, tell the interviewer that I don't know, sir. If you don't if you want to interrogate with him, those that may lead some interruption and misunderstanding between you and the interviewer. So always be honest with the interviewer. All the best and perform good in interview. So this is all about basically the Amazon interview. So we will be given all these questions, so prepare thoroughly and apply for the job, then you will be crack it. Okay, so if you want to apply for any job, you will be given when applying for how did you find about the job. Okay, so you can answer, you can give my Amazon email ID, so I can also refer for them. So my Amazon email ID is manega@amazon.com. You can see here, right? I think this video is very helpful for you. I will provide this PDF in the given video link below. So be confident and prepare well. Attempt all the tests with very confidence. Go through the. You can also have some videos on YouTube. You can also go through them and you can prepare how the topics are, how we have to go. There are some questions and some of them are uploading some questions. You can go through them and prepare well for them and apply for your job based on your qualifications and do good. Okay, I think this video is very helpful for you. For more videos, please do subscribe and share our channel. Thank you. All the best.